Hi guys, it's Richardlizhu. In front of me we have everything that I bought on Amazon Prime Day. But how much money does Amazon Prime Day actually save you? I was interning at Amazon when the first Amazon Prime Day happened, and I kind of thought of it as a gimmick, right? I feel like not that many things were on sale, but as it gained more and more popularity, Amazon basically created a holiday for themselves, right? Normally, sales go up on holidays. Amazon basically created a holiday all for themselves. And other companies are getting in on the action too. So this year, I noticed that some of the things that I was actually looking to buy were discounted on Prime Day. Since I was already looking to buy them, I saw that they had already been discounted earlier too. The sneaky online shopping tactic where, they discount everything from the MSRP, so then the MSRP is never the price that you would buy it at, right? So that was the reasoning behind me wanting to make this video. Like, how much money are we actually saving on Amazon Prime Day? So I'm gonna go over and unbox everything that I bought on Amazon Prime Day, and I'll tell you how much it cost me, and I will go over how much would it cost for me to buy this today. And so we're already like a month after Amazon Prime Day. I haven't gone around to unboxing some of these things, but I'll unbox it here for you. So without further ado, let's get started. So let's start off with our first item, which is the Invicta Men's Pro Diver Collection automatic watch. So that's a handful of a name, but basically the way I would describe it is it is kind of a discount Rolex Submariner. So I think it looks quite nice, or I think it looks pretty cool. I think it looks rather just like the Rolex Submariner. So I'll put a photo online of what this watch looks like versus what the Rolex Submariner looks like. And you can see that it's there's a lot of inspiration taken from the Submariner for this watch. And so how much did this cost me on Amazon Prime Day? This was a flat $50. And keep in mind, on Amazon Prime Day, you get 6% back on everything. So $50, but I actually get $3 back. So according to Girl Maths, I actually made $3 on this watch. And today, if I'm to buy it, this watch is $82.37 on Amazon. Next up, we have a tube of badminton shuttlecocks. So this is Yonex. I like to use the plastic ones because they're consistent and they don't degrade over time as I play as much as the feathered ones. Yeah, I had a tube, but it got stolen the last time I went to badminton, and so I picked up this Mavis 2000 from Yonex. And on Amazon Prime Day, this was $16.99, but if you go to Amazon today, you'll see that the exact same tube of shuttlecocks costs $20.80. So I'll put a little running total here of how much I spent versus how much it would have cost. So we can have a little running total of, the savings. And then I bought a pair of shoes. So these are the Steph Curry 10 Dub Nation colorway. So as you've seen, I've worn them a little bit, and actually, I'm just noticing now, it looks like they're already ripped. I really like the yellow color scheme of the box. It's a pretty nice box, and so these are the shoes. I've worn them. I actually don't really like them that much. I feel like they actually I feel like they kind of sprain my ankles when I use them for sports. They have a lot of good traction, except if it's dusty. That's something to be careful of. But I actually didn't purchase these on Amazon. So I purchased these from Dick's Sporting Goods. But the interesting thing is, because it was Amazon Prime Day, I think Dick's was trying to get in on the holiday sale, right? So it was heavily discounted from them, and this colorway especially was especially discounted, more so than the other colorways. And fortunately, this is the one that my girlfriend said she liked the best. So originally, the MSRP for these shoes is $159.99, but because it was Amazon Prime Day, Dick's was having their sale, and I was able to get these for $109.98. If you try to go buy them right now, these have gone back up to MSRP, But the day after Prime Day, they had actually gone back up in price by $10. So they were $119.98. And nowadays, if you try to buy this colorway, it's going to be at MSRP. But I see that you can find other colorways for $130. So basically, I got this $10 off for Prime Day compared to the post Prime Day sale. And it's a $20 discount compared to the cheapest colorway that I can find right now. And it's a $50 discount compared to the MSRP. So now this is the last item that I bought, which is called an automatic watch winder. So because I have an automatic Ferrari watch and this new Invicta diver that I just bought, I figured that I wanted a watch winder so that I could automatically wind these watches. Every time I use these watches, I have to rewind and reset the time. But if I can just plug this in and then I'll keep the watches spinning, that'll keep the batteries charged up and I'll never have to wind them again. If you remember that scene from Doctor Strange, when he pulls open his drawers full of watches, that has a built-in automatic watch winder. So that's what this is. And this one is supposed to fit like a lot of watches, 6 watches, so it's actually really big. So on Amazon Prime Day, this one cost me $63.99. And if you're to go on Amazon and try to buy it today, it's the full retail price of $79.99. So I have no idea what's even in here. Okay. Oh, this is the plug for it. So funny story, I had actually told my girlfriend to buy this for her brother in the past, but she said it was really, really too big and it was not, so then she returned it. But I mean, it is quite big, but supposedly it fits like other jewelry as well. So let's take a little look-see here. So it has that, and then it has these cushions. It smells like, that's so interesting. You know what this smells like? This smells like the inside of a piano. It's the most interesting yet specific smell. So here's where you can put like some jewelry and whatever, but this is where you're supposed to put the watches. So let me go ahead and get this plugged in for you guys, and we can have a look at it in action. So let's go ahead and plug it in. And that's cool. It has 2 switches here, so that each one can rotate independently. So here we have my Ferrari watch that I unboxed in a previous YouTube short, which I've linked over here. But as you can see, I normally just keep it on my wrist rest that I use for ergonomic support. But we can take this out and we can oh, that's a really tight fit. Huh. Interesting. So we probably want to take one layer off. Okay, I think that's a lot better. And then we put this in. Maybe let's put this over here. And let's take this new Invicta watch. Let's also put that one here as well. So let's try it. So yeah, they're spinning. It works kind of as expected. There's a felt padding on the bottom. And yeah, I think this is really cool. It's definitely not silent, so maybe don't put it like right next to your head when you're sleeping. I don't know if you can hear the mechanical whirring. But yeah, I think this will be a great start to my watch collection, I guess. Yeah, this carries 4 watches, I guess. It has 4 watches rotating, and then you can have 6 more watches on the pillows up here. So we can do a final recap and see how much money did we actually save buying these on Amazon Prime Day. If I were to buy these same 4 products again today, it would cost me $343.15. However, when I bought them on Amazon Prime Day, it only cost me $240.95. And keep in mind, these are prices all before taxes. So for my haul of 4 items here, I literally saved almost exactly 30%. On top of that though, when you're shopping on Amazon Prime Day, you can get 6% of your money back. That's not that big of a difference for me because I have the Amazon card. So normally I get 5% back on Amazon anyway. But, 6% is 6%, right? On these $240 that I spent, I mean, this wasn't on Amazon, but if it was, the $240 that I spent, that would be over $14 cash back on my purchases here today. So, I made $14 by spending $240, right? Thanks for watching this unboxing of my Amazon Prime Day haul. And I hope you guys learned something about how much you can actually save on Amazon Prime Day. I actually used to think it was kind of a scam and they kind of just used it to sell items that were unpopular and get rid of excess inventory. But I'm starting to learn that it's actually truly a good deal. As long as you buy things that you were going to buy originally, you can definitely save a lot of money. In my case, 30%. Thanks again for watching. Subscribe, check out some of my other videos, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.